Good day, traders. How y'all doing today? I think there was a part of my little story I read to you about how you don't buy in a in a downtrend and you don't sell in an uptrend. Well, you can. It just depends, okay? But let's look at yesterday. I just want to finish something, and then I'll talk about something else that's kind of funny today. Okay, let's just go back to yesterday with the NASDAQ, okay, and this long trend. So the part I didn't actually explain to you, and I said, oh, I hate days like this when it's just one flipping continuous trend up and little retracements and up and up and up, and it doesn't stop. Does it all flipping day. Now, the reason why I hate it is because it's going up and you don't want to buy because you already fear that, oh, what if I buy here, then I buy the top and it goes down and I lose, right? And you don't want to sell it because what if you sell it and it just keeps going higher and you'll lose? You see what I mean? This is why I hate days like this with these long trends. It's okay if you're in it from, way down here and you got this much buffer and then you just hold on to it, diamond hands as they call it, right? Me, I'm not good at holding trades for 300 freaking points, and most traders aren't, and that's why it's hard to trade these trending days where it just keeps going in one direction. Okay, I got that off my mind. Okay, so let's go now and look at the charts. Here is today, okay? Oh boy. Always starts when I start talking. So anyway, I just want to show you, this is the NASDAQ, this is the 5-minute, okay? And what did we have down here, ladies and gentlemen? We had a double bottom is what we had. Okay, actually we had a trade before that. So let me show that first. This trade here, we'll just put it, yeah, right there's good. Somewhere in there, yeah. And we take it from here and we draw it down like that. It's like about 3 this way. Okay, so there's our divergence, the first setup, okay? So you would have got short right there, and it was a winner. Okay, you would have basically, well, I can't tell you that price because it's different. The only prices I can tell you on this platform that are accurate to a T on every platform is the currencies. Okay, they don't really mess with those because these are Forex brokers and these are Forex pairs. But when you're looking at like something like this, the NASDAQ or oil or whatever, it's always off. And they've done it on purpose to screw people up. So anyway, we would have sold short here and it went down 47 points. Okay. Then we had a double bottom, as you can see, right here. So let's just draw it on here like this. Okay. Look at that. Perfecto. Perfecto, man. Okay. And yeah, and we would have got long right in here. You either would have bought there or bought the dip, whichever one. Okay? And it was another successful trade. Let's say we bought the dip, it went up 58 points. And our stop would have been 31 points. See? Now let me let me show you something that I think is quite funny. Okay? Let's go slumming down to the 1 minute. Okay, and I'm just gonna squish it a little bit. Okay, so I was in Tanya Trades today. It was quite funny. Usually she's just, hanging out, really calm, cool, and collective. talking real sweet to everybody, you know. But today she was hopping. She was hopping. Oh, it's funny. Anyway, let me show you this. Let me show you this. This is so funny. So right here, okay? And right here, okay? She goes, oh, she goes, people are going to think this is a double top and they're going to sell and they're going to get wrecked, she says. They're going to get wrecked. I was just laughing. First of all, Tanya, not even though I know you'll never come and listen to my stream, you don't know who the hell I am. But anyway, first of all, not everybody's trading double tops or double bottoms. But yeah, I'm sure there were some sellers in here. That's what made it go down right here, right? But guess what? Guess what, my fellow traders who follow me in this on this stream here, this channel here, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, check this out, man. So you can see we wouldn't have sold here. Or actually, no. There is a trade. Hold on. Let me just blow this up here. I'm all mixed up. I'm all balled up about Z Tabernacle. Okay. There is a trade here to sell. Let me show you. Let me just take this off for now. Okay. Okay. We got our double top. Here we go. Okay. So let's say we were going to sell. But guess what? We would have got fucked. Like, we would have got wrecked. I mean, really wrecked. Like, just like Tanya says, right? But the only trade we really had was this one. But she was looking at a 1 minute chart. So that's why we're on a 1 minute chart. Double top, okay? But guess what? Do you think we would have done this trade if you were following my golden rule? Let me put the line there. That's where the sell would have been. Okay? Look over here. All the arrows are up. So if we go to the 5 minute, okay, where we would have sold, look at the 5, look at the 7. We would have not sold it there. We only would have bought this lower close right here. Is there something? No. The only trade we had was this one, okay? Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And it was good for like 60 points or 58 points. Okay, so we would have never got sucked into this sell of a double top on the 1 minute because on the 5 minute it told us do not sell. Do not sell. It will fake. It's a sell fake, right? So anyway, that's what happened there with that. But it was so funny. She got so excited. Even after she hit her both targets, she was saying it again. Ah, you guys who sold the double top, you got wrecked today. You got wrecked. It was funny. But usually she's very calm and sweet, but she wasn't so sweet today. She was telling her followers, and she's got a lot of followers really quick, like thousands of them. I'm lucky if I get two subs a week. Yeah, and I tell you, man, people just don't know what they're missing here. And another thing she kept, hollering out about is she says, "Who says ICT doesn't work?" And she's like doing a little dance and oh, ICT stuff works. That's for sure. I totally agree. But so does other stuff. Like divergence. Yeah. It's too bad I couldn't reach more people to come and check this out because more than anything, I just want to help traders. Like I told you, I've been doing this 22 years. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to leave my mark on the trading world. Because I do not believe I'm going to be here for much longer. But who knows? Maybe I have my mama's organs and I'll just keep on ticking. She lived till almost 96 years old. So, we'll see what happens. But anyway, it was funny. Again, Tanya's channel there, and you're gonna get wrecked, she says. Wrecked. It was funny. Yeah, she's from down in New York, where they eat hot dogs. Yeah. I went there, but I never tried one of the hot dogs on these corners where these hot dog vendors are. I love imitating that. Hot dog. I love imitating that. It's funny. Anyway, okay, Jason. We went on enough about that. Okay. So we never would have sold there today, ladies and gentlemen, on the 1 minute. If anything, we would have been buying and we would have been right. And we had a double bottom here. Oh, I forgot. See, I'm forgetting to draw it down here. See, look. It's right there. That is divergence. Remember I told you when we have a double bottom, when we draw it on the OSMA, it needs to be pointing up because it's telling us to buy because it's going to go up. And a double top, this here will be pointing down, right? Because we're going to be selling it to take it down. So I just wanted to make that clear with you guys. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. Let me show you. We had low and lower lows. Let's draw it on here. That shows the divergence. And we would have got long. Oh, there was a trade here too. Same as on the NASDAQ. Okay, let me show you that trade too. So it's right here. Put it anywhere. Any little pullback we can put it on. So right there, you can see it's divergent. Yeah, there's so many people that just don't know what they're missing. You guys don't know how fortunate and lucky you are that you stumbled into my channel to see these setups. Not that I'm like the world's best trader or anything, but I know one thing. I've tried so many different things in the past and none of it worked. And I was a loser like big time. And the only thing that works? Divergence, man. Shh. Divergence. That's it. And I show you every day that it works. Every flipping day. So if you would have got short here, your stop would be right there. And it went down 15 points or so. Not only is the divergence mind-blowing, but I tell you exactly what a lot of traders fail to know is where to put their take profit. And where to put it in a place where they won't come back and get you. You see what I'm saying? Most of the time. Yeah. That's another precious thing I teach you here. Because believe me, a lot of people don't know where to put their stop. And you know what's really, really bad, let me tell you, is the people who think that they can do a bracket order, okay, and have this already fixed amount stop loss and take profit. That don't work, man. The market changes on every little turn. You have to have a dynamic, I believe is what they call it, okay, stop. It's like, say, where'd be a good spot to do that? Say you were buying right here, okay, and you have your 4-point stop. Say there was 4 points right here from where you got in, and this is where your stop is. Well, guess what? They come back and they got your stop because you didn't have it in the right place. But hey, it is what it is. I know where to put the stop, and it hardly ever comes back and gets me. Unless you trade crazy things like the opening of the stock market or non-farm payroll right on the actual spike you're going to try and trade. Well, yeah, it's going to spike up and down and get you. But you're not supposed to trade that shit. Okay, so let's move on now. There's the two setups on the S and the P. What did the Dow give us now? This is the Dow Jones. See, same algorithm, same trades almost. Well, actually, no, it's different here. It didn't really climb as high as the other ones. Aha. Aha. So, show you this one. It was good. It was good. Okay. I knew it would have got short. Stop would have been right there, and guess what? The price came back up, but it never went up where your stop was, where I tell you where to put it. No, it's not there. But then on the way down, oh, here's a hook down. Right. There's two of them. Okay, two hook downs. If you would have sold it right here, down it went. If you would have sold it right in here from this one, down it goes. Here's another one right here. Here's another one. One, two. Gotta love those hook downs, ladies and gents. You gotta love the hook down. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so we had a hook down here, 1, 2, and then we had higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. That was a beautiful, beautiful trades on the Dow. Like this one here was like 100 points. And look at how little the drawdown is when you do these trades. Isn't that fucking amazing? I don't know. I think it's fucking amazing. Anyway, and do we have divergence here? I think we do. Right here to here. Right here to here. You would have got in there. Yeah, from now on, you got to watch for those double tops because you're going to get wrecked. You're going to get fucking wrecked, man. You're going to wreck you. Oh, it's funny. Oh, Tanya. Sweet Tanya. Her claws come out today. Funny, funny, funny. Okay. This one here needs to go down some more, go to new lows, and it'll be a winner chicken dinner. Let's look at the pound dollar now today. Oh, it's looking a little ugly. Oh, let's see. We have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. So you would have got in here somewheres. Yeah, right here on the opening of this candle. And your stop would have been right up there. Did the price come back up and get your stop? No. And right here, there's nothing really there. Anyway, came down, came down, came down, came down. You would have got your stop would have been how much? 13 pips. And it would have went against you. Well, hold on. Yeah, it didn't hit it yet. It would have went against you about 8, 9 pips. But you got your 13 pips. It was way down here. You would have been in that trade all flipping day, man. Yeah, all flipping day. Anyways, here's some higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Yeah, yeah. The Euro USD, what do we got up here? We have a high and a retracement and a higher high. And selling right off the main pivot and 109.50 on the euro is really good. Yes, really good. Euro did a nice little trend day. Where would have we got in? Oh, it was right over here. So if you would have sold it here, your stop was up here, 10 pips. Did the price come back up to your stop up here? No flipping way, man. And it went down 25 pips so far. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, as they call R. 1R, 2R, 3R. Yeah. And a hot dog. Okay, let's look at the pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. Woo-wee. What do you call that? What do you see at the bottom, ladies and gentlemen? I know you see it. Just had to get some water. So we're going to draw this out, and we're not going to draw it from the spike. We're going to draw it from the body of this candle. See? Double bottoms. And right here to right here. See? If it's a double bottom, you're always got to have the line on the OSMA pointing up, like I just said. So anyway, you would have got long right at the opening of this candle that shot up. Oh, it's 1730. And it went up 48 pips or so. That was definitely a winner. Euro yen, what did it do? Ah, it did a double bottom too. Close enough for me. But look where it would have got you in way up here. You would have had to jump in mid-flight up. You know what I'm saying? You'd have to jump in somewhere in the middle. But we'll just put it here. Okay, so say you got in right above this little wick here. You wanted some proof it was going to go higher. So the stop would be 20 pips. Did we get our 20? Oh, yeah. Went up 29 pips. Gotta love it. Now we'll take a look at gold. Oh, look at it selling off right now, eh? Let me show you the divergence. It's from here to here. I tell you, when I first started trading, I wish I come across something like this and someone to just share it with me, you know, with people out of the goodness of his trading heart. Yes. I wish. Yeah, I wish. So anyway, you would have got long right there on the open of the candle. Your stop would be right there, 40 points. Did it go up 40? Yeah, right up to R1, it went up 62 points. And then it stalled up here. Could we say this is divergence? We could. Double top. Now let's make this exact. Make it exactly right so we can line it up so I can show you. Yeah. Oh, it's right there. Got to look at it. Oh, maybe this one's not so divergent. Okay. This one lines up with this one. See it? And this one lines up with this one. So double top, and this one's going down. So guess what? It's divergent. It's a qualifier. Okay? All right. So we would have got short right there. Our stop would be right here, 36 ticks right here on gold. Okay, and how far did we go down? Oh, 100. 100 ticks. So you would have done good. And we also have on the way, let's try it on the way up. We got one right there. And then we need one on the downside for right there. And we have a hook down too right here. You would have got short right in here after they smacked it down, or in here. Somewhere in here you would have got short, and it would have worked out for you, okay? It went down 72 points from there. So you see the hook down, the divergence initial setup right there, then the higher close, sell it, down it goes, and then another hook down and down it goes. All successful trades. And this one too, lower close, buy it, up it goes. So why were we buying on this side and selling on this side? Because the 5 was above the 7 on this side, so that means it's bullish. Bullish, baby, bullish. And now on this side, or no, we were buying on this side. And we are selling on this side because the line is below the 7, which makes it bearish. Is it always going to work for you? No. But it sure does seem to work a lot, doesn't it? If you don't believe me, go on the corner of, oh, I don't know the name of the street there. Oh, what's that street? And I was just going to say, go to New York and have a hot dog with some mustard. I love hot dogs. They're good. I bet they're really good in New York. Yes, indeed. Okay, shut up, Jason. Trying to make people laugh here. Okay, let's move on here. XTI, which is oil. Oh, oil's not good. Look at this little tiny double top up here. Look at that. Or a high and a higher high. And you see right here? Does it line up perfectly? No, but good enough. Good enough. Good enough, man. And you would have sold it right, right there. So you would have sold it right there underneath the support right here, underneath this little tiny wick. Your stop was up here, 35 points. And did the price come back up here and get your stop after you sold it right down here? No. Why is that? Does anybody know why that is? I don't know for sure. All that I know is they go after the stops or they scare the living shit out of people and they jump out of their trade and then it takes off in their direction. I bet you that's something that's happened to you over and over and over again where you get in a trade, it comes like within 1 pip or 1 tick before your stop loss. But you already jumped out because you were shitting your pants when it was down there or up there, that close to your stop. And then it goes and goes and goes where you were thinking that it was going to go. Like right here. See? Down it went. 118 ticks down there. That happens all the time. I've seen it happen to me so many times. Anyway, and they know it too. They know it, man. The elites who run this game. This is a game, man. This is a game. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? This is a freaking game, and you got to know how to think like them and reprogram yourself, right? And get rewired to the way you should be so you can make money in these markets. Know what I'm saying? Here's another one. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. 2 beautiful sell trades right here. Boom and boom. And that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Watch out for those double tops. They're going to wreck you. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free to do so. Please hit the like button. I really would appreciate it. I want to thank all my new subscribers that have subscribed lately. I hope you find a lot of good value here to better your trading. And did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor? Yeah, I'm not one of those guys. All right. Have a good afternoon. Good luck and good trading.